Hey guys, it's Owen, or as I'm better known, Techwen, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you my setup, or Techwen HQ, whatever you want to call it. This is where all of my videos are written, planned, shot and edited, and also where I spend virtually all of my life. I think it's time we check it out. Let's jump straight into the video. Let's kick it off with the beast that powers this setup, my Asus Strix GL702 VT laptop, equipped with an i7-6700HQ, 16GB of DDR4 memory, and a GTX 970M. Without this computer, I honestly don't know how I could power the 3 screens that dominate the desk. Speaking of the monitors, my main pride and joy is the Dell Ultrasharp U2414H, which you can check out the unboxing video for on my channel. It's being sandwiched by 2 LG Flatron E2260s, which are far less superior to the Dell, but they give me more real estate while editing my videos. My keyboard is the cheap, yet cheerful Z88 Blue Switch mechanical keyboard. Literally the cheapest truly mechanical keyboard you can get. However, it's proved its longevity through the over a year I've owned it. My mouse is the Republic of Gamers Seeker, however you pronounce it, I don't know, which has been with me for the same amount of time as the keyboard. And before I forget, for my lighting, I have 2 IKEA lamps and an LED strip that gives me some underglow lighting, which can all be remotely controlled. The panel that my LED strip hooks up to also features 2 USB charging ports, which allows me to have my wireless charger for my iPhone 8 on the desk. Very handy. The sound system featured on this setup is the best. The 2 speakers that are attached to the wall above my setup are from the Logitech X540 5.1 surround system. However, due to the subwoofer crapping out, I replaced it with a Creative Inspire 5100 sub, which kicks out an insane amount of bass. One thing I would like to mention, which is seen above my setup, is my CD collection. If you are wondering where the music comes from for my videos, most of it is from here. I would specifically recommend the very best of Cat Stevens, one of my most favourite albums ever. Also, a side note on the audio side, I have a blue snowball which you might have seen in the background of a few of these shots, and is actually the microphone you are listening to right now. Moving away from the desk is my TV setup. My main beast of a television is the Sony KDL 32AX403. Dominating my IKEA LAC TV bench. The main consoles I currently have on the setup are the Xbox 360 Slim, PS2, Nintendo Wii and GameCube. With the audio side of the TV setup, it doesn't lack in that department. It features a Sony HT CT80 soundbar with a neatly hidden subwoofer with the cable running underneath my door frame. A Chromecast is hidden away behind the TV, allowing me to cast directly to it. But I also have a computer for this setup, for accessing films stored on my NAS. And yes, it is a Toshiba laptop with the screen removed. And before anyone accuses me of anything, I did not gut a fully working laptop for no reason. While disassembling it once, a screwdriver mark I left on the board no longer allowed the laptop to accept a built-in keyboard, making the laptop part of it useless. So I removed the screen and gave it a new lease of life. But overall, I think that's just about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of where I spend the majority of my time, and I will see you all in the next video. Like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye.